Hello, and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around, let's have some fun, and as always, keep creating. Let's pour. Hi, everyone. It's that time to do another mushroom. People love these at the markets, so I need to make a couple more. These are the last ones that I have, so I definitely need to get some more. And first of all, let's put down some Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Extra White. I was trying not to put too much on today, so I'm just kind of scooping it on there. I still need enough on there to make sure that it drips all the way over the edge and covers all the edges. But I don't want so much that I'm just wasting it. So I'll just add a little bit more around the edges here to ensure I have enough. First color is Liquitex Neon Yellow. I think they call it fluorescent yellow. And then Liquitex Fluorescent Orange. Both of those have a little dash of TLP neon. I just can't remember the names at the moment. And this is some Liquitex uh, fluorescent pink and fluorescent blue. I'm sticking with the fluorescence for this one. I love it when my mushrooms are bright and bold and beautiful. That is Amsterdam Payne's Gray for my cell activator. With my second cell activator, Tri-Art Copper. Using my airbrush, I'm going to slowly blow so that the cell activator is blown up over top of my other colors. That is the motion that creates all of the beautiful cells and lacing that you get when doing the bloom technique. It really is all about the blow. Now I still have a little bit of a buildup of cell activator in the center. So as you saw, I was just using my airbrush to do little spurts of blowing in the buildup areas to kind of break the surface of the paint, which will then allow more cells to form. So I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit and let all those cells percolate and come to the surface. I am loving this color scheme. Couple little more bursts of air, and now let's spin it out. I do need to find my black light because this would have looked amazing under it, but I don't know where it is since I moved. So I gotta find it again so I could show you what things like this look like under the black light, because with these neon colors, it would shine. I love that watercolor look down there on the stem. It didn't reach all the way down to the bottom, but I didn't really feel like it needed to. I didn't want to lose any of that. I thought it was gorgeous. So I just left it. And I didn't want to spend much more because I was going to lose all of my beautiful purple. Or no, I didn't even use purple. All of my beautiful pink. And it was just going to be yellow and orange. So, oh, I love it. It's gorgeous. That Payne's Gray cell activator is amazing too. So here it is. Do the flyover of the wet look. It's gorgeous. Yeah, that Payne's Gray cell activator. It's one of my favorites right now. It just kind of like glows like it's electric. And you can definitely see the blue in it. But there's another one that I did as we're all dry now. These are some coasters I did. This is just a table I'm building up for resining. Although those first coasters I wasn't going to resin because those were going to be skins. Well, I learned some lessons on that one, but we'll talk about that another day. So after my shrooms were all resined in time for my next show. So here we are. It's an indoor show, first one of the year, which also, this is my 1 year anniversary of selling at craft fairs. This is where it all began at St. James Place. And there they are. And they sold at that show. So people love my shrooms. And I love you for always supporting me. Thank you so much for joining us for another Creative Art Collective every Saturday starting at 6 p.m. in the UK, 1 p.m. Eastern Time in the US. Starting by Taslima Maya Art, followed by me, Let's Pour with Patty, then Casey of CWV Artistry, last but not least, Sheldon Briscoe of Shell Rock Art. So thank you for joining us, and be sure to leave a comment. I would love to chat with you. Smash that like button. I would love it if you did. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't yet. And my upcoming events. Next one will be in Northeast Wine Fest, Friday, September 26th, Saturday the 27th, and Sunday the 28th, here in Northeast Pennsylvania. And then after that, second weekend of November at the Holiday Gift and Craft Show at the Bayfront Convention Center in Erie, Pennsylvania, followed by the next weekend, WQLN Holiday Craft Fair at Rainbow Gardens, located at Waldemere in Erie, Pennsylvania. Thank you so much again, and as always, keep creating. Bye.